I'm going to show you how to make a Shanghai cocktail. We're going to start off with our ice. Pour that into your glass. Then we're going to add in 1 ounce of light rum. Just like so. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of anisette, which has a very strong licorice flavor. So if you're a licorice fan, this is the drink for you. And then a half a teaspoon of grenadine. Just a splash more. Now the amount of grenadine you put in is going to determine how sweet your drink is. So if you like it a little sweeter, just add a little bit more. We're then going to put in the juice of a quarter lemon, which is just going to be about a splash like that. If you're having a cocktail party, invest in a big old bottle of lemon juice. Otherwise, you'll be squeezing lemons the whole party, and you can't hang out with your friends and get in trouble. All right, now we're going to shake this up. And we're going to strain this into a martini glass, just like this. And there you have it, a Shanghai cocktail. Cheers.